Thank you. First of all, I will ask you a question to say, will I have something to say to the assistants? Because through this, we've learned a lot of things. And before giving my presentation, I want to thank everybody for the sacrifice that you've made for us to be together without wasting time. I will go straight forward to tackle the subtopic of green employment in our environment, but I will focus a bit on the aspects of the states. I will not make a comment, but I'm talking here on behalf of the Ministry of Environment. So, my presentation will be articulated around 3 points. That you have a brief overview on the Ministry of Environment, Water and Fish. The second point, we have fundamental opportunity of environment, case of employment, and the last one gonna be on a project. So for the introduction, I will not focus on it because everything has been said, but a few elements that is still in my mind and I will hold on it. So what gathers us is the employment and the question of jobless poverty. We have demographic growth, the well-being, and natural resources which constitute a daily problem that we talked about every day. By talking about the central topic, the implication of service, public service for the employment in the development of green employment, we think that the sector of environment is one of the sectors the most strong in the economic and employment relaunch. In effect, if we refer ourselves to some sources, the green employment are employment created by engagements taken in favor of the environment by protecting the natural resources. I'll come once again on this definition that match with the definition presented last time by our colleague of Benin, Igor. According to the United Nations Programme for Environment, the green economy can be defined as an economy that produces well-being, a human well-being. And he assured social equity by reducing in a significant way the risk on the environment. We can see here that the man is in the center of the problem. We have natural resources that are also in the center of the problem. How to do? So this definition can bring the question of development, a lasting development. So we should manage in the way not to occupy the future generation in the environment for all. That today we can now talk about other sectors that will prevent the job employment. So among the sectors that you see employment, we have a sector of that several speeches went around, several presentations went around. We have another one, technology, eco-technology, biology, agriculture, the management of waste, which are sectors that offer a big potential of green employment. So in the framework of the preservation of environment, like the one in Chad, we went for the preservation of the environment, protecting the thing of forestry and guarantee employment. Chad are there like other countries of the world to initiate worldly initiatives, regional, sub-regional, in the domain of environment. So by putting here in place the instruments of judiciary and institutional instruments. So to tackle the subtopic like we read from the beginning, we'll move straightforward to the brief overview of environment. Of the Minister of Environment. The Minister of Environment has for mission to prevent natural resources. And this is the first mission, guarantee. So to guarantee, you should have a structure or an instrument to carry out the activity. So, and the Chad set in place, set up instruments, institutional instruments. That we have a high committee, national committee of environment. This high committee of environment gathered almost ministries. That have activities more or less that touch environments. We have at least 18 ministries. This National Committee of Environment, that each politic organ make difficult the activity of the Ministry of Environment in what regarding to gather 18 ministers at the same time on one document. So it's something that is very, very difficult. We have the Ministry of Environment, Water and Fishery. So we are in we have an general administration. So the general administration there, we have a technical directions. I can quote 2 or 3 to help us to go quick. We have, for instance, the direction of fund. We have a direction of vegetal education and climate change. We have the direction of environmental evaluation and fight against pollution. So this direction, the last one imposed to Chad, you can't invest without have a study of environmental impact. We have different services in the sub-region, and we have also sub-sector organism. Among them, we have National Agency for Energy. We have a special fund in favor of environment. And this is to solve the matter of environment is already in the document of the Republic, in the Constitution of the Republic and the Fourth Republic. We have the laws. Among, I can talk about the Law 14th, BAR, PR 1998, which focused on the general principle of environment protection in Chad. This law helps us to set up a special fund in favor of environment. If colleagues of the structures are there, they can give you an idea on the activities they do on behalf of the association and others. Because they work a lot, they found at least 60 projects at the rate of 500 billion. We have a decree of things and other papers. So we'll move to the point 2 for the fundamental of employment. We had yesterday, but I thought that why not come back a bit on the ground to appreciate what we had yesterday. So in the fundamental of environment, we have atmosphere, we have ground, water, we have forest, and we have emergent challenges, which are modified organisms. We have space overflow species, we have chemical products, and we have waste. And around those fundamental, today the world gathered and regathered, and we talk. Everything is around that fundamental. So I bring the problematic to help us to have the same reading. We have those that had more the reading of the matter, those are seeking for it, but here we have to share. I would prefer to come down, and at this level, Chad belong to all the profession. He signed several agreements. Is to say that we have documents on the national plan, rich, that I can't quote everything. If not, we will have the opportunity to stay all days. And like you see, the Chad went on the Convention of United Nations on the climate change. I want to talk about the direction of world education and climate change. We have a Chad Convention on the desertification. We have the Convention on biology. We have the Protocol of Montreal on the ozone area. We have the Convention of Bâle, which take care of a relative aspect of waste. So I will come back again in detail. So in the atmosphere, we have sun, precipitation, and today, if there is a problem of pluviometry, we talk about water fluid. When there are winds, we talked about movement of desert. We have a sun that is there, and all those fundamentals that we are talking about, I'm focusing on it. This is the riches of, is not only the riches of Chad, but it's for the whole Africa. There's no any part of Africa that lacks this. So we have Arab ground here, the colleagues talk about it, and this cannot hinder us to come back on it. We have a phenomenon of urbanization, the matter of one that constitutes a challenge. We have also the problem of dry water with the apparition of some diseases that are there today, and case source. I can talk about aubergine. We have aubergine at the dimension, I don't know how you call it, but we have aubergines that can that weight at least 1 kg, but this has good. When we eat it, we don't know the real taste, and we have it on the market. If you go to the market, you'll find all the products comparing to our local productions. So we have also the problem of overtaking a species. Yesterday we talked about it. We have things like a trouser piece that we imported to fight against desertification, which constitute today that we have as a challenge. Like, you know, the time is going. I'll move quickly. So
Donc, je laisse ici voir quelques images.
I will show a few images relative to actions of the ministry that is carrying in the fight against or the protection of environment. We have seabeds, we have a green belt around Jamena. We have a Lake Chad. We have a Lake Chad. And one of these one is still swallowing. We have protected areas of Chad. And in conclusion, what we want to say is that all threats on the natural resources today is come from the possibility of employment. I will insist, if you allow. See that from the sectorial part of green employment, there are other institutions and the event take place here. The decision number 25 relative to the Conference of Heads of States and the governments of Central Africa, which is in the appropriation of the Declaration of Ministers on the development and the promotion of green employment in Central Africa, was hosted here in Jamena by His Excellency the President of the Republic. And also another decision carrying adoption of a sectorial program for development and development of promotion for a green economic. This one, what today have an excess list and on the list of program of sectorial of green economic in Central Africa. We have 22 sectors of program for the development of green economic and semi-green sector. I'm trying to collect a bit program. All this one is the content of the program. I'm trying to help us to go faster, and is to say that the matter of the development of green economy is not only in the domain of agriculture or energy, but it goes also far, and is to say that the environment of green employment occupies all the sectors. So we have the first program, the program of the development of the economic of water and humid area in Central Africa. We have the problem relative to forestry. We have a problem of waste. We have forestry products, the economic of green forest. We have ecotourism, fight against the dryness of the lake. Today is preoccupy all the world. We have a problem on the climate change, the economic of carbon. We have aeolian energy, lasting building, forestry, we have urban green space, the economy of rock and stones, the economies of government for natural resources. To cut all this is to say that the question on the green economic is taken in account in the sub-region since 2015. And these priorities that were caught there are not applicable in all the countries of CEMAC. Few of them are not applying it. For instance, we here in Chad, in what regarding the marine, we are not there. So each of them will be free in what concerning him in first place, and others will support him in the case of this, the fulfillment. So the potential of the urban sector, others brought it yesterday, but I will not come on it, but I come back here is to say they bring the figures, because the figures are important. We talked about from the Ministry of Environment, and there's still work to do today. Some of our rural ground with the phenomenon of urbanization, so we lost them, and we should take it in account, because I can use the case of the phone of Mandalia. You'll find it in document, and if you go to the ground, is urbanization of the reserve. We have protected areas. I will quote a few of them. We have forest. This is the forest here in Chad. We have the savanne. We have trees. We have arbustic formation. So this with climate change, there was a lot of things, and it can be one of our preoccupations. One of the preoccupations of the ministry to use the new technology and have a study of the place, to associate others that are intervening in the area to take it in account in their activities. So we have human resources, we have Arabic in all the documents that are talking that the child occupied the second world rank in the national plan, and the work remains to do. But the statistic doesn't come directly from interior. We have Kariti and other trees. We have algae, and we have also from the north to Faya Larjo, only palm, only even the reserves. We have like places. We have 3 national parks, 7 fun, 3 of community. 3 of other things, and there people can create a lot of things, and you should know how to put it in value around the reserves. So what are we doing? If today we have some activities, like we have our entrepreneurs, local entrepreneurs that are interested more, we think that there are opportunities on that side, that we should know how to focus on it. So all the threat to these natural resources, all these natural resources offer the service and occupy income to household and sector of artisanal and traditional resources. I will now go on the threats. This is one of the examples of the threat of the school that is about to be swallowed by sun because of this is a wadi. Apologize. This is a wadi, and it is the fruit of a climate change. On the other side, you see shadow. while we are struggling on the problem of dryness of Lake Chad. This is one of the Lake Chad side that they use it as upstream, and now that at the raising of the water, we want to protect crops by bringing a ton of water, suns to block the water, and we also contribute to the dryness. Among the threats we have human activities, climate change, and other activities. In the area of environmental diplomacy, is to talk about some projects done with the technical and financial partners, such as a project of commitment for the promotion of Gom Arabic in Chad, with the partner of FAO. We have a product of domestic energy. This project, especially, this project made us dream of something we've never done it, and then we lost the training on this by want to set in place green villages. We sensibilize the populations by saying, yes, you can cut and plant 10 to have charcoal by setting up a system of cutting that take 500 on the back of the charcoal. When the project installed itself, we've noticed that people come to Chad and they want fasten the production of charcoal. Jamena by the other side, it now become something very difficult. Here too we have another concept. So this project to reach to a high result by the economic diversification, economic modernization and innovation on the sector, to the strong intention of is to say that the project I've bought are at the first time, and when we launch a project and when the stakeholder withdraws itself, it's over. We can't move anymore. We go back, and so on and so forth. Nothing is organized. So what are we taking it on? What are we drawing from it? So we think that the problem of stakeholder can be linked to the problem of finance or the capacity building, but to accelerate the transfer of technology to solve the cross-border solutions that will help to create to this employment. We should put some technology of transformations. So, to the title of project, we have a national program of adaptation for climate change. We have a national plan of changing. We have a national plan for the implementation, and we have also in the last provision SED, which in the area of negotiation define the priority sector what regarding the adaptation of climate change and the priority sector that and it is this document that is implement activities that are already ongoing activities. We have a project that are also in the way of climate change that are found in some cultures, diversity adapted to some species, help the agents of green area because it's important.
L'économie verte,
Green economy, if you allow, can be realized by the creation of the green employment. A green employment that takes in account the protection of employment of climate change. And those sectors call all actors of change. And the actors of changes that I'm talking about. So, partners, we have social partners, we have syndicate, we have enough founding partners, and we have a civil society in universities. We have press and so on and so forth. To interpel all of us. And it's a challenge. In Central Africa, we think that our youth stop some things, not how to go to this school, because this is a new school, so we need training to help them to know this. I thank you.